Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. Welcome to another session of Madina Arabic Book 1. So in the previous video we started with lesson number 3, and in today's video we'll continue with the same lesson. I know it's been a while since I uploaded video on the YouTube channel, but moving forward inshallah I'll try to be consistent with uploading the videos. So with that being said, let's start the lesson. Okay, so over here it is written tamarin. Okay, tamarin means exercises, right? Tamarin means exercises. Now the first exercise here is اقرأ واكتب مع ضبط أواخر الكلمات. اقرأ واكتب مع ضبط أواخر الكلمات. اقرأ means read. واكتب means and. Kataba means to write. Ikra waktub, read and write. Ma'a means with. Dabti means harakat. Okay, harakat or vowels. Awakir. Awakir means at the end. Akhir means end, at the end. Al-kalimat. Al-kalimat means the words. Okay. Ikra waktub ma'a dabti awakhiril kalimat. Read and write with the harakat or adding the harakat at the end of the words. So what we have to do is, you could see all these words here, right? But there are no harakat, there are no vowels at the end. Okay. So we need to add those harakat based on the words here. So in the previous lessons we have covered that for indefinite noun, we put dhammatan, the tanween at the end of the word, right? And for definite noun, we put only one dhamma at the end. But for that, the word should start with alif lam in the beginning. Okay? So let's start with the first word here. There is no alif lam, right? So we'll put dhammatan at the end. Masjidun. Masjidun means a masjid. So we have already covered these vocabularies in the previous sessions, in the previous videos. So if you are new to the channel, I highly recommend you to watch the previous videos so you are familiar with the concept. Okay. So over here it is written masjidu, we'll add dhammatan. So this will be masjidun, meaning a masjid or a mosque. Okay. Next there is alif lam, so we'll put one dhamma at the end. Okay. Al masjidu, this is a definite noun. Al masjidu meaning the masjid. Okay. Al masjidu means the masjid or the mosque. Masjidun, a masjid. Al masjidu, the masjid. Okay. Next word, again it has alif lam in the beginning, so we'll put one dhamma at the end. Al ma'u. Al ma'u means the water. Al ma'u means the water. Next, there is no alif lam, so we'll put dhammatan at the end. So this will be ma'un. Ma'un means a water. We'll write water only. Okay. Ma'un means water. Next, it has alif lam, so we'll put one dhamma at the end. Al baytu. Al baytu, it means the house. Okay. Al baytu means the house. Next, there is no alif lam, so we'll put dhammatan at the end. Babun. This will be babun. Babun means a door. Okay. Next, there is no alif lam, so again we'll put dhammatan at the end. So this will be qalamun. Qalamun meaning a pen. Next, there is alif lam, so we will put one dhamma at the end, and this will be al qalamu. Al qalamu meaning the pen. Next word, there is alif lam, so we'll put one dhamma at the end, so this will be al kalbu. Al kalbu meaning the dog. Al-kalbu meaning the dog. Next, there is no alif lam, so we'll put dhammatin at the end. So this will be kalbun. Kalbun meaning a dog. Okay. Al-kalbu, the dog. Kalbun, a dog. Next, there is no alif lam, so we'll put dhammatin at the end, and this will be qamisun. Qamisun meaning a shirt. Qamisun meaning a shirt. Next, there is no alif lam, so we'll put dhammatin at the end. This is waladun. Waladun means a boy. Next, there is alif lam here. So there will be one dhamma at the end. This is al-hajaru. Al-hajaru. Al-hajaru means the stone. Okay. Al-hajaru means the stone. Next word, again there is alif lam, so we'll put one dhamma at the end. And this will be al-waladu. Al-waladu means the boy. Okay. Next, there is no alif lam, so we'll put dhammatin, and this will be himarun. Himarun means a donkey. Okay. Himarun means a donkey. Next, there is alif lam, so we'll put one dhamma at the end, and this will be al-himaru. Al-himaru means the donkey. Okay. Next word, there is alif lam, so there will be one dhamma at the end, and this is al-hisanu. Al-hisanu means the horse. Okay. Al-hisanu means the horse. After that, last word, there is no alif lam, so we'll put dhammatin at the end, and this is hisanun. Okay. Hisanun meaning a horse. Okay. Let's revise all the words we have covered in today's first exercise. Read and write with harakat or vowels at the end of the words. Okay. So first word is masjidun because there is no alif lam here. Okay. So this is masjidun. Masjidun means a masjid. Al masjidu because there is alif lam, so we'll put one dhamma at the end. So this is al masjidu meaning the masjid. Al ma'u means the water. Ma'un means water. Al baitu means the house. Babun means a door. Qalamun means a pen. Al-qalamu means the pen. Al-kalbu means the dog. Kalbun means a dog. Qamisun means a shirt. Waladun means a boy. Al-hajaru means the stone. Al-waladu means the boy. Himarun means a donkey. Al-himaru means the donkey. Okay. Himarun means a donkey. Al-himaru means the donkey. Al-hisanu means the horse. And hisanun means a horse. So that's it for today's session. Do subscribe to the channel if you have not. And in the next video, we'll continue with the next exercise of lesson number 3. Inshallah. Until then, Jazakallah khair and Assalamualaikum wa rahmatullah.